Good morning, students. In the previous class,
Yes, sir.
we have completed exercise 2.4, question number 7th. We have completed. Today we will discuss question number 8. Question number 8. Students, can you share?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Student, exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4. Question number 8. Half of a herd of a deer are grazing in the field. Half of a herd. Herd means some animals are grazing together in the field. That is herd. Herd of, it means group of animals. Group of animals means herd. Half of herd of deer are grazing in the field, and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. First of all, we will consider that let number of deer in the herd be X. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field. Student, number of deer are grazing in the field. Number of deer are grazing in the field. In the field. Half. Students, half means total number of deers are X. And whose half? X by 2. Whose half is X by? Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No doubt. Now, students, 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. Number of deer are playing nearby. Deer are playing nearby. Students, 3/4 of the remaining. Students, now student, let number of deer in the herd be X. Number of deer are grazing in the field, X by 2. Student, total number of deer in the herd be X, and number of deer are grazing in the field, that is X by 2. Student, now how many remaining deer in the herd? Remaining deer in the herd.
The screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible.
Yes, sir. Screen is visible. No, screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Remaining remaining deer
Yes,
in the herd.
yes.
Students, total number of deer in the herd x. Out of x by 2, deer are grazing in the field. Now, what are the remaining deer in the herd? Students, total number of deer in the herd dx. Out of x by 2 deer are grazing in the field. Now, remaining deer in the herd b. Please tell me.
X by 2. Sir,
Students,
x minus x by 2.
yes, students, x minus x by 2. Student, what is the LCM? LCM is 2. Now, that is x. How many times 2 come in table of 1?
2 times.
2 times.
2 times.
How many times 2 comes in table of 2? 2 ones are 2.
1 time.
Now, student,
1
2x
time.
minus x divided by 2. That is x by 2. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now, student, 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. 3/4 of the remaining here are x by 2. He is 3/4.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what is the reason after 2x minus?
2x minus x. 2x minus x.
Okay, sir.
X minus x is equal to x by 2. Now, students, 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. Number of deers are playing nearby. Student, 3/4 of the remaining deers are
3/4 of x is equal to
x by 2. That is 3x by 8. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Number of deer drinking water in the pond. Number of deer drinking water in the pond. In the pond. How many? 9.
9.
Now, students, number of deer grazing in the field, that is x by 2. Number of deer playing nearby, that is 3x by 8. And number of deer drinking water in the pond, that is 9. Now, student, x by 2 plus 3x by 8 plus 9, that is equal to total number of deer in the herd, that is x. Students, number of deer are grazing in the field, that is x by 2. Number of deer playing nearby, that is 3x by 8. And number of deer drinking water in the pond, that is 9. Now, total number of deer, that is x by 2 plus 3x by 8 plus 9 is equal to x. Any doubt, any problem? Yes, friends. Now student, according to questions. According to questions.
And second.
Students, number of deer are grazing in the field. That is x by 2. Number of deer are playing nearby. That is 3x by 8. And number of deer drinking water in the pond. That is 9 plus 9.
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
total number of deer are x. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Take
No,
the
sir.
LCM. Take the LCM. What is the LCM of 2 and 8? LCM of 2 and 8.
8.
8. Now student, this is x. How many times 8 come in table of 2?
4 times.
4 times. 4 times 8. 3x. How many times 8 come in table of 8? 8 1 8.
1 time. 8.
Now student 9. How many times 8 come in table of 1? 8 come in table of 8. That is x by 1. Okay students. Now 4 into x. 4x plus 3x into 1. 3x. 9 is 72. That is 8 x by 1. Now student, 4x plus 3x. Only coefficient add.
7.
7x plus 72, that is 8. That is x by 1. Now student, cross multiply it. 7x plus 72 multiplied 1 and x into 8. Student, it becomes 7x plus 72, that is 8x. Now students, 72 is equal to 8x minus 7x. 72 is equal to x. Therefore, number of deer in the herd. Number of deer in the herd be 72.
So minus correct. X is equals to 72.
Yes, in the herd. B 72. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
If you have any doubt, any problems, you can ask me. Dipanshu Khatana, have you any problem, any doubt?
No, sir.
Khushi Kumari, any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Vishwajit Singh. Now student, question number 9 is a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present age. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Students, let present age of daughter be. Let present age of daughter be. Next years. Now students, He is also 54 years older than her. Students, present age of father B. Present age of father B. Father is 54 years older than her daughter. 54 years older means x plus 54.
54. X plus 54. 54 plus X.
X plus 54 years. Now students, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. According to question. According to question. Now student, grandfather is 10 times older than his daughter. X plus 54. Now student, this is your x. After adding 54, now grandfather is 10 times older than his daughter. How can you equalize it?
10x.
10x. Very good student. 10x. 10x. Now student, it is 54. 10x minus x. 54, that is 9x. 54 divided by 9, that is x. 9 is equal to x.
Sir, actually equals to 6.
X is equal to 6.
And X is equal to 6.
Find the present age. Now present age of daughter B. Age of daughter B. How many years? 6 years?
Yes, sir.
And present age of father B.
Sir, 6 into 10.
X plus 54.
54.
That is 6 plus 54. 60 years?
Sir, 60. Sir, 60.
16 years. Question number 10. Aman age is 3 times his son's age. Aman age is 3 times his son's age. Let present age of his son. Let present age of his son be. X years. Aman age is 3 times his son age, and present age of Aman B. That is 3x years. 3x years. 3x years. Aman age is 3 times. 3 times means multiply by 3. 3 times means multiply by 3. Spent 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Student, 10 years ago means minus. Students, if if your present
Sir,
age is
3x minus 10 is equals to 5x minus 10.
student 10 years ago, the age of
Sir, 3x minus 5 is equal to
his son was
Sir, x minus 10.
x minus 10 years. Very good students. 10 years ago
x.
तो उसके फादर की एज होगी सर x minus 10 ब्रैकेट में into 5.
the age of Aman was 3x minus 10 years. Now student, 10 years ago he was 5 times his son age according to question. According to question.
Sir, what is
That is x minus 10 3x minus 10. Now student, 10 years ago he was 5 times his son age. 10 years ago Aman was 5 times. 5 times means multiply by 5. This is Aman was 5 times elder than his son. How can you equalize it? Student, how can you equalize it?
सर जिस ब्रैकेट पे सर आप x minus 10 लिखेंगे सर वहाँ पे हम 5 लगाएंगे.
Very good. Student, Aman was 5 times older than solid. That is 5x minus 50, 3x minus 10. Now student, 5x now student it becomes 2x equal to
Multiplied by 10.
x equal to 20. Therefore, present age of his son is 20 years and present age of Aman B 3x 60 years. Therefore, present age of his son B
20
and present age of his son B 20 years.
Yes.
Question number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the new number. What are the numbers? Let first number be bx and second number be and second number be 5x 5x if 21 is added to both the numbers, according to questions, if 21 is added to both the numbers, if 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. Now student, it becomes twice. It will become twice. It is twice. Then how can you equalize it? Multiply this by 2.
2x
Plus
plus 21.
हमारे मेरे पास तो क्लास होगी और आगे
now students,
आदर्श
42 minus 21, that is 5x minus 2x. That is 21. 3x. Now student, 21 divided by 3. X is equal to 7.
7 is equal to 7.
Your first number is 7 and your second number 5. 7 are 35. Any doubt, any problems?
No.